Hello, I'm going to show you now how to use sum, min, max and average. Now in this list, can you see I have a list of quantities and they're all numbers. I might want to get the total of all of those numbers, or the smallest number, or the largest, or the average. And that's where sum, min, max and average come in. Now, it's really easy to use. We first of all click where we would like the answer to be. We then go to the Home tab. At the far end, can you see I have this button here called Auto Sum? Now, Auto Sum by default, if you click onto it, this will do a sum. So it will add up any numbers that you drag over. Now, you can also pop the arrow down here to the right, which will give you further options. So, can you see the first option is sum? So if I click straight on there, that would be the default. So if I click here, it puts in this box equals sum, open brackets, and can you see it's got B4 colon B9. That means it's going to grab everything between B4 and B9. And can you see it's kind of like, it's sort of lassoed around these numbers. Now, if this isn't quite right, all we just drag over the numbers we want to actually base this addition on. And if this included these numbers over here, can you see I could drag like so? Now, once I'm happy with that, all I do is I press enter on the keyboard, and that kind of seals the deal for the answer. Now, let's say I would like to go for minimum, maximum, and average. It's very similar. You click where you want the answer to be, go to home. Instead of clicking straight onto this button, we pop the arrow down just here. And can you see this is where we can choose our option? So I'm going to go for min, and this is the lowest number. Now, Excel doesn't always get this right. Can you see it grabs the nearest number to it? I am going to actually override this and drag over these cells here like so. So once I'm ready, again, seal the deal, press enter on the keyboard. Can you see this is telling me the lowest number in that list of numbers is 1. And again, look, just pop the arrow down again, max. If I just drag over like so, once I'm ready, enter on the keyboard, that's the highest in the list. And again, for average, just click where I want the answer to be, pop the arrow down, average, and then can you see if I were to drag over the numbers I want to base this on, once I'm ready, seal the deal, press enter on the keyboard, and that is the mean average, i.e. the total of the numbers divided by how many are in that list. So that's how to use the auto sum button and the pop down arrow to do a sum, average, min and max with a list of numbers in your spreadsheet.